Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another video. In this video, we're going to cover your navigational menu. When you log into the website, you're going to notice two things. There's a front end and the back end. Right now we're on the front end, and I know that I'm logged in because there's this big black rectangular bar that goes across the top of my page. And it shows me all the things, including this little howdy my K-wall, which shows me that I'm logged in because I can log out. I'm going to move my mouse to the top left-hand side. I'm going to click on my K-wall, and underneath that, I'm going to click on dashboard. This is going to take us to the back end where I'm going to see my heads-up display as well as this navigational bar on the left-hand side. In this video, we're going to cover that. What is your navigational bar and how to use it? So on the left-hand side of this page here, you're going to notice a navigational bar. It's this dark gray unit right here. It's always going to be dark gray, and this is how you can navigate your website. As you can see, there's like this little indent here because we're on the dashboard, and it says underneath dashboard, there's an indent, it says dashboard, home, and updates. If you're on the home, you're on the main heads-up display. If you click on updates, it's going to show you all the available updates that you can make to your website. And in addition to this, it's also going to give you a notification. I know there's no updates because there's no little notification bell. In most cases, it'll show me a number and like a round little orange circle showing me how many updates I need to make. Right now, there are no new updates. On your website, there's a section called posts. This is where all your blog posts are going to go. Media. This is going to be a media gallery where all the assets are uploaded to the website. These are pictures, icons, as well as any other images that are on your website, including images that appear on the different pages. Comments are where comments from posts appear here. Custom CSS and JS. Not all websites will have this. I know that your website may look slightly different than this. I'm using a staging website for mikekwall.com. And in here, I'm going to have different tools that your website may have also different. Like if you're running a WordPress website that's a service-based site or an e-commerce website, you're going to have two different kinds of tools because those are built for different audiences. In the case of my Kwall has been built for a service-based website audience that is going to be accessing this website either to get into a course or to download a lead magnet or just to just to look at a blog. So it's much more simplified. But the custom and CSS area is a way for our developers to add special elements to fonts or to different pages. And what I like about this is no matter where I scroll on a page, this menu never changes. I can always scroll down the HUD here, the actual dashboard. This will move, but the menu never changes. So next up, we have Elementor. Elementor is a specific tool we use for drag and drop. I want to move myself over to the maybe bottom right-hand side of the page here. You can still see me down here, but I want to actually focus on this menu. So what I really like, though, is under Elementor. Here's all the features of Elementor Pro. If you've got a design from MKWay, you're going to have the Pro version. Templates are an area where you can see different templates. We've built out various templates for blog posts as well as single posts as well as different pages. So you can get all those templates in from here. The elements, we use a tool called Elements, which allows us to download over 4 million other royalty-free images from this particular website database. When you click on appearance, this will give you the appearance of the website. So themes, customizations, widgets, menus, header, the background. You can install plugins from here. Next up, we've got plugins. These are all the different tools added to the website. Like all-in-one WP migration is a migration tool. It's also called a plugin. So tools or plugins are the same thing. It's what makes your website so robust because we can go into all these plugins here, and I'm going to left click on this just to show you what it looks like. When I left click on plugins, we're going to see all the different plugins installed on your website. But in addition to that, I'm also going to click on add new on the top left-hand side here, right up here. When I click on add new, there is an entire marketplace for apps. There's over 10,000 apps at your disposal that you can search through. So if you're looking for, I don't know, let's say an SEO redirection app, SEO redirection, and I'm going to search for it. So I'm using this keyword search here on the top right-hand side. I'm looking for an SEO redirection tool. There's a number of tools here like this redirection app that are free. You can download it, and instead of paying money for it like you would with Shopify or other websites, nothing against Shopify. I think it's a great website, but with a WordPress website like this, it's free, and you can see the robustness of creating a great long-term website because you have these kinds of third-party developers that develop open source plugins that offer more functionality for your website. And we've definitely used a lot of them. So next up, we've got users. This is where you can access your users, all the people who have access to the website, including yourself. You can reset passwords in here. Tools. These are various tools on the website. So you can look at the available tools. You can import, export pages. You can check the site health. All in one tool. We talked about this before. This is one of the plugins. This allows you to back up the website, migrate it. We put this in here because we'll be migrating this staging website to a live environment in a few months. We've got settings here, which will tell you the general settings of the website. WP SMTP. Most websites will have this. This is a way for the website to send emails from the website to you. So if you operate in a service-based business, you're going to use this tool. It's going to now send emails from no reply at your website domain.com, because whenever you get a lead magnet or whenever you get a lead that uses a lead magnet or maybe a submission form on the website, we're going to send that person a thank you, and we're also going to send you their lead information, which could include their first name, their last name, their phone number, their email, anything that allows them and allows you to contact them to give them a quote about the service that you offer. And that's it. This is your navigation menu. If you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach out to your account director or just make a comment on this video and your account director will reach out to you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.